My name is Carrie and I am a stylist with Color Street. I am so excited to share with you about this product. It is seriously my favorite. If you're not familiar, Color Street is 100% nail polish in the form of a strip that goes on like a sticker. What does that mean? You do your mani and go on about your day. No waiting for your nails to dry. Amazing. Check out this video to see how easy they are to apply and how to achieve a look like this. So before you get started, you just want to make sure that you wash your hands and then wipe your fingernails down with the nail prep pads that are provided with the sets. To get started, you just want to size up the sets with your fingers and make sure that it's going to fit your finger. Just the width is the most important part. And it's as simple as this to get started. You're going to pull this purple tab. That's going to remove this clear plastic film from the top. And then you'll pull this silver tab that's remaining. That's going to remove the polish from the paper backing. Once you've done that, you want to grab the polish by the middle, like so. And you're just going to line it up with your fingernail. You want to put it on just below the cuticle. You don't want to have too much on your, you don't want to have any on your skin actually. So you're going to line it up just below your cuticle. Once you have it lined up the way you'd like it, you're just going to smooth it out. Smooth it out along your nail. Then you're going to use your thumbs as your tool. So no tools required with Color Street. And you're just going to fold the nail strip under your nail and kind of press your other finger, your thumbnail up underneath the nail. Sorry, and that's going to perforate it right off. Then I can use the rest of this strip here for my other hand. So I'm just going to pull that tab and I'm going to go over to my pinky finger on this side and same thing, right below the cuticle. You don't want to have any of it on your skin and just smooth it out. Make sure it goes down the sides of your nails and then up underneath your fingernail with your thumb. Comes right apart. Now you can see that I have some on my skin here. All I'm going to do with that is use my thumb again. I'm going to press down where my skin meets my nail and that's going to perforate that piece and it's going to come right off and clean it right up. Okay, same thing on this side, just a little bit. Just means the strip was a little too wide for my finger. And no problem, I'm just going to press down on my skin and pull that piece away. And we're back to perfect. Now, like I said, I'm doing a mixed mani here, so I have a couple different sets that I'm using, which is actually perfect on the website. When they're buy 3, get 1 free. You can do easy mix and matches. Now on this nail again, you can kind of see how there's a little bit on my skin, so I'm just going to go and do the same kind of cleanup. I'm just going to press down where it's meeting my skin and it should pull right away. Now I'm going to show you a layered effect. So I have this black Midnight in Manhattan on my middle finger and I'm going to go in with our Coming Up Rose Gold. This is a clear overlay. I'm going to put that over the black just for an added sparkle. So same thing with this one. I'm going to pull the clear tab. I'm going to pull the silver tab, which is going to pull the polish right away from the paper backing. Show you that there, it's really pretty. Let me see if I can get it. So pretty. Best if you grab it from the middle, it gives you more control. And I'm just going to go in here, place it. Now with this black, I put it a little bit further below my cuticle than I normally would so that this one can go all the way up to my cuticle. And you can see how that is covering. There is a gentle stretch that you can do to the strips if they're not going to reach the sides all the way. But for the most part, you should be able to find a pretty perfect fit. There's lots of different sizes on each that come in each set. So same thing here, I'm using my thumb as my tool and I'm going right in and perforating that away. Now I'm using the remainder of this. Pull away this tab. Sorry, and I can go right in here. Place it just under my cuticle. I want to cover up all that black.
Smooth it down. If you need to stretch it a little bit, you can. You can lift it up if it's not on completely straight, which this one's not, so I'm gonna just gently lift. It's got a little stretch to it. Very moldable. And I'm gonna put that down. And then I'm just gonna go in, with my thumb. There's a reason why you do your thumbs last, because you're using them as tools. And there's that.